everyone, and welcome back to the Hello English podcast. This is episode 6. I am Henry.
And I am Anna. Hello, everyone. Henry, I am feeling very relaxed today.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Because today we are going on a vacation. Well, at least in our imagination.
Ah, yes. Today we are leaving the office and the coffee shop, and we are traveling. Today's topic is hotel English.
I love staying in hotels. The big soft beds, the room service, the tiny bottles of shampoo.
The tiny shampoos are the best. But before you can enjoy the bed, you have to survive the check-in.
The check-in desk. This is where I sometimes get nervous. They ask so many questions, and sometimes I don't understand the hotel words.
Hotel vocabulary can be a little formal. So today, we are going to walk through the whole process, from arriving at the front desk to checking out.
Let's start at the beginning. I walk into the hotel lobby with my suitcase. I go to the counter. What do I say?
You simply smile and say, "Hi, I have a reservation."
I have a reservation.
And usually, you add your name. I have a reservation under the name Anna.
Under the name. That is a useful phrase.
Yes, it means the booking is listed under your name in their computer system.
Okay, then they will ask for my documents, right?
Yes. They will say, "Can I see your ID and credit card, please?"
Now, Henry, this part always confuses me. I already paid for the room online. Why do they need my credit card again?
This is a very common confusion. They need your card for incidentals.
Incidentals. Incidentals. That is a big word. What does it mean?
Incidentals are extra costs. For example, if you eat the chocolate in the minibar, or if you order a movie, or if you break the TV.
I hope I don't break the TV. So it is like a security deposit?
Exactly. They will put a hold on your card. They don't take the money yet. They just hold it just in case.
So if I see a charge for $100, I shouldn't panic?
Don't panic. If you don't steal the towels, the money will be released back to you after you check out.
Okay, that makes me feel better. So I give them my card. Then they give me the key.
Nowadays, it is usually a key card, a plastic card, or sometimes you can even use your phone.
Fancy. And then they tell me my room number. You are in room 502.
Now, Anna, here is a cultural trick. In America, if your room is 502, it is on the 5th floor.
Of course. Where else would it be?
Well, in the UK and parts of Asia, the floor at street level is called the ground floor, and the floor above it is the first floor.
Yes, that is how we do it in Hong Kong. Ground floor, then first floor.
But in the US, the street level is the first floor.
So if I am in the lobby in America, I am on the first floor?
Correct. So room 502 is on the 5th floor in America, but it might be on the 6th level if you count from the ground in Europe. Just remember, look at the button in the elevator.
Or the lift.
Elevator, US versus lift, UK. We use elevator.
Okay, before I go to my room, I want to know about the food.
Priorities. You want to know about breakfast?
Yes. How do I ask if breakfast is free?
You can ask, "Is breakfast included?"
Is breakfast included?
Or you might hear the receptionist say, "There is a complimentary breakfast served from 6 to 10.
Complimentary. That means free?
Yes, complimentary means free. $0. A complimentary breakfast, a complimentary bottle of water. It is my favorite word in a hotel.
Me too. I love complimentary things. What about the Wi-Fi?
You can ask, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" Usually, it is written on the little paper holder for your key card.
Okay. So, I have my key. I know about breakfast. Now I go to my room.
You open the door, you jump on the bed, you are happy.
But wait. Henry, imagine there is a problem.
Oh no, what is wrong?
The room smells like cigarettes. Or the air conditioner is broken. Or the neighbors are having a loud party.
This happens, and you need to know how to complain politely. You shouldn't call the desk and scream.
No screaming. So, what do I say?
You use the phrase, "I'm afraid there is a problem."
I'm afraid there is a problem. Does that mean I am scared?
No, here "I'm afraid" is just a polite softener. It means, "I am sorry to tell you this, but
Okay, so I'm afraid there is a problem with the AC. It is blowing hot air.
Perfect. Or, I'm afraid my room is very noisy. Could I change rooms?
Could I change rooms? That is a good request.
Most hotels will move you immediately if they have space. They want you to be happy.
What if I need extra things, like more towels or a toothbrush?
You can call the front desk, usually dial 0, and say, "Could I have some extra towels, please?"
Could I have? We learned that in the coffee shop episode. Can I get? Or could I have?
Exactly. It works everywhere. Could I have a wake-up call? Could I have an extra pillow?
What is a wake-up call?
It is when the hotel phone rings at a specific time to wake you up. It is good if you have an early flight and you don't trust your phone alarm.
That is useful. Okay, Henry, let's talk about the hotel facilities. The gym, the pool.
We call these amenities.
Amenities.
Yes, the pool, the gym, the spa, the business center. You can ask, what floor is the gym on? Or, what time does the pool close?
I usually pack my gym clothes. But I never go to the gym. I just go to the buffet.
Haha, that is what vacations are for. Now, Anna, do you remember episode 5 about tipping?
Yes. Do we tip in hotels too?
In the US, yes. If a bellboy or porter carries your bags to your room, you should tip them.
How much?
Usually $1 to $2 per bag.
Okay, $2 per bag. What about the housekeeping? The person who cleans the room?
It is nice to leave a few dollars on the pillow or the desk when you leave. Maybe $3 to $5 a day.
I will remember that. It is hard work cleaning rooms.
It is. Okay, so we enjoyed our stay. We slept well. Now it is time to leave.
Checkout.
Checkout is usually at 11 a.m. or 12 p.m.
What if my flight is at night? Can I stay longer?
You can ask for a late checkout.
Can I have a late checkout?
They might say yes, or they might charge you extra. You have to ask.
If I can't stay in the room, can I leave my bag somewhere?
Yes, you can ask. Can I leave my luggage here? They usually have a storage room near the lobby.
That allows me to explore the city for one last day without dragging my suitcase.
Exactly. So, Anna, let's do a role play.
I am ready. I am the guest. You are the receptionist.
Welcome to the Hello English Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Anna.
Let me check. Yes. A deluxe room with a king bed for 2 nights.
That is correct. Is breakfast included in that rate?
Yes. Breakfast is complimentary. It is served in the lobby from 7 to 10 a.m. Can I have your ID and credit card for incidentals?
Here you go. Oh, also, could I request a high floor? I like the view.
Let me see. I can put you on the 10th floor, room 1005.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here is your key card. The elevators are to your right. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Okay, Anna. Now let's imagine it is nighttime. You are in your room, and you need to call me.
Okay, I am picking up the phone. Beep, boop, beep.
Ring, 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 ring. Front desk. This is Henry. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Anna in room 1005.
Yes, Miss Anna. How can I help you?
I'm afraid there is a problem with the bathroom. There are no towels.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. I will send housekeeping up with some fresh towels right away.
Thank you very much. And could I get a wake-up call for 6 a.m. tomorrow?
Certainly. 6 a.m. wake-up call set. Anything else?
No, that is all. Good night.
Good night. Cut! Great job, Anna. You handled the check-in and the problem perfectly.
I felt very professional. I'm afraid there is a problem. It sounds so polite.
It works like magic. People want to help you when you are polite.
So, to recap.
Check-in. I have a reservation under.
Money. Incidentals are just a deposit.
Free stuff. Complimentary means free.
Problems. I'm afraid.
Requests. Could I have?
You are ready to travel the world, Anna.
I just need to buy a plane ticket now.
Maybe in the next episode?
Maybe. Listeners, do you have any funny hotel stories? Did you ever get lost in a hotel?
Or did you ever break the minibar? Let us know in the comments.
We love reading your stories.
Well, Anna, we better check out of this episode before they charge us for a late checkout.
Haha, good point. Let's go.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Safe travels.
This is Anna.
And I am Henry. See you next time.
Bye bye.